name's Kiati. I'm head of Joshi Advocates. Thank you very much for joining us in this YouTube video. This is a video which is not our usual immigration law. It is a story, and it's an unusual story. So it begins yesterday, and the client says, I want to leave the UK. My father passed away. Now, let's go back 2 years. When he came to us, he instructed us to represent him in his application. It involved a European child and his parental role as a father in the child's life. Family law proceedings were ongoing. We tell him that, look, application has an average chance of success because he does not live with the child and does not have yet a family court direct order. So we put the application in, Home Office refuses it, right of appeal, it's an EA national child. Due to a few technicalities and the family matter pending, we informed the Home Office before the appeal, for appeal preparation stage, that they ought to reconsider for several aspects. Luckily, a senior Home Office presenting officer does concede and place the matter back for reconsideration. All the while, the family matter's pending, it's going back and forth, and the client is becoming very agitated, frustrated, as it's normal, it's expected. So yesterday, he has had enough. Home Office hadn't so responded, and he said his father passed away and he needs to leave. I say to him, look, if you leave, the family matter could be disrupted and could damage the proceedings. And obviously, the Home Office would have to withdraw your application, return your passport. You go to that country, how would you enter? And he says, Home Office may be compassionate. And I say, of course, Home Office will be compassionate, but they won't say your application can continue pending and you go and you can come back in. It's just not going to fit the process. He says, I don't care. With all due respect, Kiati, he says, I don't care, I just want to go to my father's funeral. And I say to him, fine.